Get out of my Maserati.
Right, do you want to give us another tune?
Sure, yeah.
Oh, I'm glad you said sure. I thought you were like, nah, we're just going to
Nah,
have
cheers.
What would we do? Will we do a bit of a drinking song?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, okay. Let's see. I'll pull out the bouzouki for this one. What do we do?
You are listening to HFM 107.3 with the Broken Pokers here on WA Day. We've got live music all day here until 10 PM tonight. So keep it locked here on HFM.
Okay, this is a song from Galway, the west of Ireland, where they used to make moonshine up in the hills there. And it was the moonshine was known as Rare Old Mountain Dew, and that's what this song is about. It goes like this. Let the grasses grow and the waters flow in a free and easy way.